Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we can do it using two different ways. The very first one is using a secret code and a dialer, and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both options. So let's begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer and let me show you the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. If for some reason this code doesn't work on your device, just go back to the home page and let me show you the second option, which is using the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And after scrolling down a little, we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware, and right in the middle we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.